Hello traders, how are you? Happy Wednesday. Vladimir here from Home Trader Club, and in this video I would like to share with you my analysis and trading plan on a short term on the Euro Aussie. I believe that the levels that this instrument is reaching right now could provide a very interesting sell opportunity. So let's go to the chart and see what do we have there. But before I start to explain all the technical conditions and why I believe a great short-term sell opportunity is building up, a big shout out and thanks to Mugan Markets for supporting me, my channel, and my community. And here is the special offer for a very limited time I have with them for our community. With the link below this video, you can join Mugan Markets, open your trading account with them, fund it. Of course, make sure you trade it. And here is the deal I have with Mugan Markets to my community, and big thanks to Mugan Markets, of course, for allowing that. You can, all the members of Mugan Markets who join from my community can go and choose 3 of the amazing tools I have here for traders. You go to the blog, vladimirribakov.com, strategies and courses, in-house indicators, choose any 3 you want, any 3 tools you want, and you get full access to that. Of course, the paid version, you get it free, okay? Any 3 of them. Or you get 3 months free access to the Home Trader Club, okay? 3 full months of access. If you prefer access instead to any of my trading systems like the SRS, Forex BBB, or the Divergence University, or anything else, no problem. Again, this is an offer for the community, so whatever works for you, we can make it work. Here's what you have to do. Just contact me. Of course, first of all, complete your steps. Open your account, fund your account with Mugan Markets. Use the link below because we will have to verify it all comes from the community. And contact me in my Telegram, which you can see right now on this very screen. Let me know your choice of a strategy, the access to Home Trader Club, or any of my trading tools and the indicators we have here, or robots that help you with like risk management, or trailing the stop loss, Trailer Pro we have, which is amazing features for those who amazing indicator actually with features that fit those who love to ride a trend and move or trail their stop losses. So this is the offer, especially for our community. And again, thanks to Mugan Markets for allowing it, of course, for supporting me, my work, and my community. And enjoy, guys. And now let's talk about the technical conditions. What do we have? Starting from the daily chart, this pair is retesting the broken rising supportive line that now becomes a dynamic resistance. And besides that, we do have here also some sort of a corrective channel at the moment, which I'm not so confident it's over. Yes, for the long term, I believe drops could lead for rallies, but on a short term, the way I see that this zone right now starts to have some sort of a potential rejection where good sell opportunities could go and build up. So technically speaking, here is why I like the this zone that is coming. On the last rally, okay, if we examine the most recent highs that behave as a supply area, we receive this classical zone. Okay, on the wave down, we gained, as you can see, lower highs, lower lows, of course, but on the most recent wave also high, low, lower high, then big bearish candle, some sort of consolidation here for a day, another big bearish candle. That's a very strong sign that the sellers take control from this area. Okay, so the sooner we get there, that's pretty much where I expect the sellers fight to hold their zone, where a zone that is proven to be in control by them. Taking these levels to the 4-hour chart, and here is what we see a big volume here on the 4-hour chart, supported by a daily inner zone, as we can see, okay? And slightly higher than that on this corrective move we had, right? These highs behave also as the area of supply, and this is the support, broken support, that now becomes a resistance. All that happens, as you can see, between this zone to this zone, in with this classical volume-based area. So every short-term rally towards this zone, I believe, should bring with it some rejections and opportunities to sell. It might be very short-term, yes, but the way it behaves starts to look very interesting. And if we go to the 1-hour chart to spot that, it's clearly that these three waves are coming to a potential end, a bearish divergence. While the market is making its higher highs, the indicator clearly making lower highs, stating and pointing for a bearish divergence or negative divergence. And that means in this area, very, very probable, possible, potential scenario that the buyers will start to lose their grip and sellers will start to reject and push the prices lower. Okay, so this is what I see on the Euro-Aussie in the short term from these key levels mentioned. By the way, you can download all these indicators you can see on my screen, and here is how to do it. So here is how you can download the indicators, tools, and EAs we have for you directly from the marketplace. All you have to do is to go to the blog vladimirribakov.com. The next step, my strategies and courses. Then follow and get it right to here, Vladimir's in-house indicators. Scroll down and you will find all the available indicators, tools, EAs, and other solutions we have for traders in this marketplace, which we continue to develop. Choose the ones you love, get them, download, install, and enjoy. So that will be it for this video. Thank you very much for your time watching it. I wish you very good trading. Best to you and yours. And one request from you, if you find value in this video, please hit the like button. A few words in the comment section would be a great help with all the way that the YouTube algorithm works. Feel free to share it with anyone who you believe can benefit watching that. And I wish you good trading. See you soon with more. Bye for now.